Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to turn off or restart your Samsung A07 phone. Now for the first method, just press and hold your power button, and after that you can see this interface and you can turn off or restart your phone from here. Now if you cannot turn off or restart using this power button, just go back, then swipe down. Then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app, and then search for side button. Just tap here and then tap on long press option. Now here you can see two options, digital assistant and power off menu. You have to select just power off menu from here. Then using the side button or power button you can easily turn off or restart your phone. Now for the second method, just go to home screen and then swipe down again. Then tap on this icon. And that's it. You can also turn off or restart your phone from here. Just tap on restart and restart again. Now you can see the phone is taking restart. So just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. And that is how you can turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.